Today, we will add elements to an array. In order to add elements to an array, we can use two methods. Push method if we want to add elements to the end of an array. Unshift method if we want to add elements to the start of an array. We can add as many elements as we want in both methods. Now, let's take them in action. In script.js, I have added fruits array with 3 elements. Let me log them in console, so I will use console.log fruits. If you take the preview, you can see 3 elements over there: apple, banana, and mango. Let's add some element at the end of an array using the push method. So I will add fruits.push orange. If you take the preview, you can see orange has been added at the end of an array. Let me add few more elements. And if you take the preview, you can see those 2 elements are now added at the end of an array. Now let's add some element at the beginning of an array. So let's use Unshift method. I will use fruits.Unshift and I will add 2 elements. If you take the preview, you can see cherry and grapes has been added at the beginning of an array. I also want to share one useful property in this session, length property. It can be used to check the number of elements in an array. For example, if I use fruits.length and if I check the preview, I can see there are 8 elements in the array. Likewise, let me add one more element. And if you check the preview, you can see it shows 9 elements in an array. So feel free to use length property, as this may look simple, but it is powerful, making it a must-have in your coding toolkit. It might also be used when you're validating input, looping through data, or slicing arrays and strings. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we will remove elements from an array. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.